and welcome to a special edition episode of Science with Bexy. Today is another fun experiment episode where I'll be showing you how the temperature of water can affect its density. I mean, it is a lot cooler than it sounds, so stay tuned. For today's episode, you'll need a glass of hot water, cold water, and 2 different food colourings. Now bear in mind, it can get a bit messy, so make sure you do it in the kitchen or get some parental supervision. So when fluids, like water, are heated up, it can affect their density. When fluid particles are heated up, they become less dense because the distance between the particles increases. So they're heated up and they become excited, so they spread out and increase the distance between them, and this also increases their volume. Just a note, the particle sizes themselves don't increase, just the distance between them. Alrighty, let's start then. So grab a glass of hot water to stop the kettle just before it boils, and a glass of cold water. And now in my test, I'm going to be dyeing the hot water red and the cold water green. Here we go, dyeing the cold water green. Give it a little stir. And the hot water red. So you have the hot water on the left and the cold on the right. Now as you'll see coming up, you'll also need a piece of card or laminate to hold over the cup as you turn it upside down. We start with the cold water and we flip it upside down and place it on top of the hot water. Yes, it gets a bit messy, and at this point we can remove the laminate or card. When you do that, the cold water immediately sinks and mixes in with the hot water because cold water is more dense than hot water. See? It's perfectly mixed. Yay! Now let's see what happens when we do it the other way round. So the hot water in red is on the right and the cold water in green is on the left. This time we're going to do it the other way round. So we're going to turn the hot water upside down and put it on top of the cold water. Notice I'm wearing gloves here to handle the hot jar. What you'll find this time when you remove the card or laminate is that the water doesn't mix. The hot water is less dense than the cold water, so it floats on top. So because the red water has been heated, its particles are more excited and the space between them has expanded, meaning that the water's density has decreased. This allows it to float on top of the green water. How cool was that? That visibly showed you how the temperature of water could affect its density. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please do like, subscribe and share with all of your friends. And make sure you do try it at home.